So this is a quiz that you have tomorrow. Okay, I just want to review. Okay, it says, look at the picture below. The rectangle makes an array. Okay, that means that there's a square here, here, here. This is the array that the rectangle makes. Okay? So that's what it looks like. It looks better when we actually see it. The rectangle makes an array. Write a multiplication sentence to represent the squares in the rectangle. So that means I need to have my factor times a factor equals my product. Right? The first number tells me what? How many rows? Yes. The second number tells me how many in each row, and then I add them all together. Say, explain your equation. You just said it. You just explained the equation. You said that the first number, okay, tells me how many rows I have, which in this case I would have 3. The second number tells me how many in each row, which in this case I would have 5. And then I multiply them together. 3 times 5 would be 15, and that's my answer. Number 2 says, okay, Alana writes the expression 6 times 3 on the whiteboard. Okay, and that's what she has, 6 times 3. Okay, which of the following expressions have the same value as Alana's expression? Circle the letter for all that apply. Okay, for number 2, you're going to have 2 answers for this. Okay. So 6 times 3, that's actually 18. So I have to figure out which one of these also has 18. Well, I know that 6 times 4 is 24, so that can't be it. Okay. Oh, you notice this right here? What does that equal? Oh, doesn't that equal this? Yeah, they just decomposed that. That's all. They just decomposed it. Okay. And we did talk about fact families, so isn't there another one that looks like that? Just flipped over? Dina? 3 times 6, of course. Of course. And then question number 3. Oh, that's the bottom of the page. So 3 says, Ruth found 7 times 8. Okay, so that's what Ruth said. She said she has 7 times 8. Okay, 7 times 8. By breaking, okay, or decomposing, what number did she compose? What does it say? 7. She decomposed 7 into what 2 numbers? 5 and 2. So this is what she actually did. So then now she took this. She went, oh, remember the problems that we did with parentheses? Okay. The 8 is going to stay the same because did we compose 8? They would break apart number 8. No, we did 7. So that's going to stay the same. And she decomposed 7 into 5 and 2, 5 and 2, and then she just multiplied. So which one of these actually looks like one of the answers? B, yes. Or D, yes. So in this case, so number 2, you'll have 2 answers, and number 3, you will also have 2 answers. So make sure that you circle both of them. I'll remind you of the answers for those. Okay, this is on the other side of the quiz. Here it says, which of the models below could show 2 times 4? So 2 times 4. So what does the first number tell me? How many rows? Yes. So in this case, I have 2 rows, right? And then the second number tells me how many in each row? How many in each row? Okay. Or in this case, somebody said how many columns? Okay? So, let's look at this then. Hey, I have 2 rows, right? Do I have 4 in each row? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that can't be it. Does B have 2 complete rows? No. It's missing 2 of them right here. Does C have 2 rows? 2 rows. And it's going across. No. No. So obviously, whatever's left, there you go. Okay. 5 says Rosie rides her bike 7 miles a day for 6 days. How many miles does Rosie ride in all? Show your work to break apart one of the numbers to make the problem easier. This kind of sounds familiar like number 3 that we just did. Okay? 3 that we just did. Okay. So for number 5, we have to set it up. Remember the parentheses? Right? So which one do you want to break apart or decompose? 7. So we'll do 7. Okay? That means the 6 stays the same. What 2 numbers do you want to decompose 7 into? Nate? 5 and 2. Perfect. 5 and 2. Oh, I know what 5 times 6 is. 30, yes. I know what 2 times 6 is. 12. And then I add them together, right? 30 plus 12. And then whatever I have is there. Yeah, not 32. No. Yes, that would be it. Great. Now 6 is Maria writes the expression of 4 times 5. Perfect. That's what she wrote. 4 times 5. Okay. Which of the following expressions have the same value as Maria's expression? Okay. Anybody? Well, and it says all that it applies. So this one's going to have 2 answers, okay? You're going to have 2 answers for that one. Obviously, if I have 4 times 5 and I flip them over like a pancake, it'll be the same thing as 5 times 4. Okay? C is 4 times 6. I don't see 4 times 6. If I decompose a 5, that's 3 and 2. That does not give me 6. D? Well, whoever said B, okay, and hold on. If I decompose 4, does 5 times 4 give me 4? No. If I decompose 5, does 5 times 4 give me 5? No. What 2 numbers could I decompose if I decompose 4? 5 and 4? 2. I can go 2 and 2. I can go 3 and 1. But they're actually multiplying 2 times 2, which actually gives me 4. 4 times 4, which it would be equal to that. Right there. Okay, so for number 6, there's 2 answers for that.